Hey everybody, welcome back. In this guide video, I'll show you how to install Mac OS on external hard drive. So in order to do it, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. To successfully install Mac OS on the external drive, the drive you want to use must be suitable for task ahead. More specifically, it must be at least 64 GB large, unless you're 100% sure that your external hard drive is fresh. What you have to do is to begin with, now then you need to connect the external hard drive to your Mac. Launch Disk utility located in the application Utilities. Then click View and choose Show All Device option. Select your external hard drive, not just a single part. As you do it, give the external hard drive a suitable name and select Mac OS Extended Journaled as driver format and GUID Partition Map. Now then click on Erase and Wait, after which click Erase and wait for Disk utility to prepare your external hard drive for you. This process may take a while depending on the internet connection or the size and the speed of a driver, so be patient enough. Now this step is easiest one because you could download the macOS Monterey installer directly from the App Store. So launch the App Store on your Mac and click the select bar, type in the macOS Monterey and hit run. Afterwards, select the search result named macOS Monterey, click the Get button and wait for the macOS Monterey installer to download. Before you do so, we recommend you to verify that Mac can actually run Monterey. So after which you need to go ahead and open the Finder. So go to the applications or click on Show All Disk. And what next you have to do is you want to go and click or select the particular drive. Then you want to select user to set as the owner of a new volume and options, and make sure you're connected to a power source if you're installing Mac OS Monterey, to an external storage device from a MacBook to avoid issue with the battery reaching 0 at the worst moment possible. So this is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.